Hey guys, in this video we are going to go over page 18 notes, average rate of change. So go ahead and pause the video, add page 18 to your table of contents, and then I'll give you the page to tape down. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with page 18. So Tracy runs every Saturday to stay healthy. After stretching, he always begins jogging at a steady pace. He uses a fitness watch to monitor both his running and his pace. At the end of his jog, he immediately increases his pace to a regular running speed for the remainder of his workout. Find the average rate of change, average speed for his entire workout. This graph models the time and distance during the workout. So we have X is the time in minutes. So it looks like our whole workout is about 60 minutes long. About 50 minutes long actually. And it looks like our distance, we run about 6 miles. So we're going to determine the rate of change for the 10 minutes while he's jogging. So for the first 10 minutes, so we have a formula that we're going to use. So the formula, that's our slope formula. So we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So same formula as our slope between 2 points on page 17 notes. So we're going to look at this point right here, so 0, 0, so the start of his workout, and then after the first 10 minutes. So it looks like after 10 minutes, he jogged about a half a mile. So he starts at 0, 0, and then after 10 minutes, he's at about a half a mile. All right, so we'll use those 2 points and we'll plug that into the formula. So we have y2, which is 0.5, minus y1, which is 0, over x1, which is 10, minus x2, which is 0. So I'll plug that into the calculator. 0 minus 0.5, 0.5, and then 10 minus 0 is 10. So 0.5 divided by 10 is 0.05. And that is the change in y, so the miles per minute. So not very fast, we're just jogging at this point. So now we're going to find the average rate of change for the 40 minutes after he started running. So from this point, so that was the point 0.5 after 10 minutes, and then for the next 40 minutes after that. So 40 minutes after 10 minutes would be to the end of the workout at 50. So after 50 minutes, he jogged 5.5 miles. So now we're going to use the formula y2, so 5.5, minus y1, 0.5, over x2, which is 50, minus x1, which is 10. So we'll put that in the calculator. 5.5 minus 0.5 is 5, divided by 50 minus 10, which is 40. So 5 divided by 40 is about 0.125. 0.125, and again, that's miles per minute. All right, determine the average rate of change of his entire workout. So from the very starting point, So the very starting point is at 0, 0 to the very ending point, which is 50, 5.5. So he started out at 0 minutes, he ran 0 miles, and then he ended after 50 minutes, he ran 5.5 miles. So we'll just plug this last set into our equation. So y2, 5.5, minus y1, which is 0, over x2, which is 50, minus x1, which is 0. So we'll plug that into the calculator. 5.5 minus 0 stays 5.5. 50 minus 0 stays 50. 5.5 divided by 50, 0.11. So for his entire workout, he ran 0.11 miles per minute. So think about laps around a track. Each lap around the track is 0.25 miles. So he's doing less than a lap around the track every single minute. So go ahead and pause the video, get all of the average rate of changes, and one thing to remember, we use this formula every single time after we're given 2 points. So we just have to determine which 2 points we're going to use, and then we plug those 2 points into our formula and we find our average rate of change. So if you need to pause the video and rewind it so that you understand where those numbers came from and how I plug them into Desmos, go ahead and do that now. Whenever you're finished, I will give you the assignment that goes with page 18 notes.